Hey, they take us out.
I've never in my life felt so unsafe in a car journey.
Good morning! Today is day one in Laos. Yesterday we crossed the border and what a journey that was.
It was insane. If you want to see the video, here it is.
Yep, it's up here, I think. But yeah, so a little bit of information on the border crossing. Now for almost every country it's $40 to cross the border into Laos.
Yeah.
And if you cross on the weekend it's 40 baht, so only about $1 extra charge for the people who are working there overtime.
Yeah.
Anything else?
No, it was super easy.
The guy tried to charge us like 75,000. Too much for the tuk-tuk into town, into the closest village, and we decided no, we're going to walk. And
we hitchhiked in the end. Here's a little video of how it went. Wow.
Crazy.
We said in the last video we were going to take the slow boat to Luang Prabang, but plans have changed as the boat looked like a bus and we're like, okay, let's not do that. It's also super expensive.
It was going to work out about 2 days travel cost for us to take the boat, and it does just look like a bus on water. The views would be amazing, but we haven't seen the western part of Laos, so we decided let's just hitchhike across the west towards Nong Kiao, which is somewhere we visited. We were in Laos 3 years ago, and Nong Kiao has the most amazing viewpoints, so we want to do some of the country that we haven't done before and go back to some old favourites. So
now you'll see lots of footage of us hitchhiking, probably through very local villages, and yeah, we're super excited for this.
Yep, and we're dragging these guys along with us.
Walking in the center of the road.
This is even more hard than trekking in Nepal.
I know, but this is how you know you're on vacation, when you're walking in the middle of the road. So I told Sophia, let's manifest our hitchhike.
Yes, we need that today.
And what we really want is...
we want a nice car with a truck. How do you say
so we can sit in the back, like
so
when it's open air.
So we get free air conditioner.
Yeah.
And
then that actually the guy is just super rich.
Yeah.
He says like, oh, you can stay at my house tonight. He has a swimming pool. He invites us for dinner and breakfast.
And nice beds.
Nice beds. Just like actually kind of a dream vacation in Laos. That would be really nice. Please pick us up.
Cháu qua lăng pa chai sai. I try.
Go home.
Home.
Go home.
We're home. We go. Where's he going? How to open the boot 101? Ready? I feel like I'm like breaking into the boat.
Yay! We got another ride.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Okay, squeeze. Squeeze, yeah.
You know Nong Kiao?
Oh, Nong Kiao.
Yeah, far away. Slowly, slowly.
Have you done this trick before?
Where they dropped us off, we heard music, we saw a party, we thought, let's go check this out. I don't know what it is, but they got some good music. I'm gonna do that too.
Ew, I don't drink beer.
Neither did I, but come on, it's polite.
Oh no.
Here comes more. Oh, go try.
I'm gonna get drunk.
Sunday.
What's happening?
I got wine. Party.
Yeah, they take us out, man.
These kids are going crazy. They're like, "Ah!" I think their house is here, so they're super proud. I think.
Okay, we go. Okay.
Yes.
You live here? Yeah. All of you. Stay here. Here.
Everybody sleep here. My God, this bike is on. You can hear the engine. It's on. I don't know what he's going to do.
And it is time for us to hit the road. People were getting super drunk. They forced us to drink. Every one of us to down a glass of beer. Yeah, and we felt like, okay, let's try and see where we can get to. So, Tipsy Hitchhiking, here we come.
Tipsy Hitchhiking.
Woo! Yeah, Vang Vien's famous for tipsy tubing, so yeah.
I think I had like.
Yeah, we just need to get across that and go. 15,000.
15,000.
15,000, so that's 35 Thai baht.
35 Thai baht, you can get a haircut.
So it's almost €1 for a haircut. Should she do it or not?
Okay, yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah, go for it.
Why not?
How long does it take?
Why the f not? Try to kill the time because we have nothing to do. No cars will pick us up, so.
I want a haircut and a beard trim. You do beard?
You do beards.
I know, you do. No. Got to keep this a bit longer. Nice. We got excited, we thought it was a hitchhike. I don't think so. He bought us some energy drinks because he said it's a long walk. So now we've got energy drinks.
Yes, we found the ride. Oh my God.
Let's go. We got 2 cars.
We go to the same place?
Yes.
Oh, they go to the same place. Yeah.
Sawadee.
Namta, okay.
How long to Namta?
Yeah.
1 hour? 2 hours?
It looks like we are going to Namta
Yeah, in 2 separate cars.
in 2 separate cars.
Different, so-
I'm going to throw the guitar in there.
Yeah,
Let's see where we go. So yeah, it's 2 guys from China who are, or 3 guys technically, 2 guys in our car, 1 guy in that car, who are going to take us, and it's actually a 2-hour drive from here, so we're going way north. So let's see. Okay, chai.
Thank you. Good chai.
你怎么这儿贵了？不是。
We're going back. I think we're going round the other way. And we have just arrived just outside Lam Nang Ta.
Yeah, we just had a 2-hour crazy drive. I've never in my life felt so unsafe in a car journey.
It was
ever.
fine.
No, it was like
It was crazy.
It said 30 kilometers an hour. We drove easily double, like 70, 80 in the mountains, going crazy roads and in the mountains. It
Anyway,
was
we have
insane.
arrived safely.
Yeah.
And yeah, we're going to continue this journey tomorrow. So
Next episode, more adventures.
Yep. Again, as always, guys, if you like the video, please feel free to like, subscribe, turn on notification bell, all that good stuff, and we will see you
On the next
on the
adventure.
next adventure.